So, as you said, Amrita Ahead. Why Amrita Ahead?
Yeah, so this was also another decision. I think if you look at when we launched this, there were very few online programs in India, but there were a lot of online programs from US. And what we saw that the generic online name is used everywhere. Let's say Stanford Online, Harvard Online. So we wanted to make it a distinct brand for Amrita, and that is why Ahead. And our tagline is Get Ahead. Get Ahead is basically join Amrita Ahead and get ahead with your skill sets, get ahead in your career. It's basically this is your calling to change your life, to grow in your professional career. It's basically Soch, Badlo, Aghey, Bado. Aghey, Bado, basically get ahead is what we are trying to send the message with this programs.
That's incredible.
Yes.